Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a job board to your Wix website. This is a fantastic way to showcase career opportunities directly on your site, making it easier for potential candidates to discover and apply for positions without leaving your page. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website and logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. From here, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. This will take you to a page where you can preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure that this is the website you wish to add a job board into. It's always good to double check you're working on the right site, especially if you manage multiple projects. From this page, locate the Edit Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on it and you'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the real magic happens and where we'll build out your job board feature. Once you're in the editor, start by locating the Add Elements button on the left navigation menu and click on it. The Add Elements menu will expand, and from here you'll see a list of all the elements you can use to customize your website. From this list of elements, locate Embed Code and click on it. You'll see an Embed HTML option appear. Click on the plus button next to it and a code editor will be added to your website canvas. This embed element is what allows us to integrate external widgets and features into your Wix site seamlessly. Once the Embed HTML element is added, open a new browser tab and head to elfsite.com. From this page, locate the Widgets button on the top left part of your screen. Make sure you have logged in to your Elfsite account before proceeding. Once the catalog of widgets appears, locate the search bar and type in Job Board. Click on the result and from here you'll be directed to the Widgets Overview page. Click on Create Free Widget. A list of job board templates will be presented to you. Select the one you wish to use, then click on Continue with this template. Now, it's time to start adding the job information. You'll be able to enter details such as the job title, company name, department, location, type of contract, a link to more information, and a full description. You can also add extras like salary range and required skills, along with a cover image and a company logo. These details help make your job postings more attractive and informative for potential applicants. Once everything is added to your satisfaction, click on Close. You'll be headed to your Elfsite dashboard, and from here, locate the job board we just created. Click on the three-dot icon next to it and click on Embed Code. An embed window will appear. From here, click on Copy Code. This code is what connects your Elfsite job board to your Wix website. Once you've copied the embed code, head back to your Wix website designer page. From here, simply paste the code into the HTML code editor we added earlier and click on Update. Give it a moment to process and apply the changes. Your job board should now be visible on your website, fully functional and ready to attract potential candidates. And there you have it. You've successfully added a professional job board to your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.